Yeah, so let's start with the first feature of Bugzilla, that is filing a bug, which is also core feature of this tool. Okay, so let me click on this. So file a bug in the sense we are actually logging a defect, right? Let me click on this. So yeah, so once you file a bug, then before that it will ask you in what classification you want to assign this bug. Okay, let me explain you a scenario here. See, there are multiple products you are working upon. So if you take a banking application, there is a loan department, credit card department, and debit card services department, and other is some customer service department. Now you found a bug, right? Totally there are four different modules: loan, credit card, debit card, and customer service. So under what category your bug will come, that you have to decide. So here in this dummy website they have classified. Let me click on this all. So it will show all the products how it got classified. You can see that here widgets as a one product, and some mercury, that's another product, and these are independent products unassigned to any classification. So out of all these you have to decide under what category your bug comes. Now just assume that this is on credit card services and your bug is related to credit card minimum amount paid you, that's not reflecting. So you have to go and select that module so that it will be easy later part of time to track. So for example, if you see a bug, you can easily get it under what module it belongs to, so that you can assign to that respective developer. Fine. So let me select this product. Just assume that I am logging a bug under widgets. Okay, so click on it. Yeah, now it will take you to the defect create template page. Remember earlier I just told you what are different fields required to create an ideal defect with industry standards. So all those, most of those fields present as part of this Bugzilla. Okay, first you have selected product widget, because in our earlier step you have selected a product widget. So here it will display what components come under that product. See, that admin will actually do all this. So there will be admin for every tool where he will import all these products and related components to this, so that whenever you land to this page you will automatically see what components comes under this product. Okay, you might be wondered how am you able to see all these. So when they install Bugzilla, according to your project features, what all components are present, what all modules are present, everything they'll import, so that a user, a QA tester, when he's trying to raise a bug, he will be having accessible to all those information. So we have seen that under this product there might be multiple components. Just like under a credit card module, a product, there might be different pages. Okay, so on that just assume that we have detected bug under this product. Okay, gears for Sam's widget, I have selected under what product and in what component. Now if there is any versions, it will display here. Now there might be scenario that till last year there might be one version, and this year there is other version of software. As part of regression testing, there might be chance that you have to go and check the earlier version also. Okay, so that version if present, you can select it. Fine. And here comes severity. We have discussed right in our previous lectures regarding priority and severity. If you think that is a critical or a blocker without which you cannot proceed forward in your application, you can go ahead and select based upon it. Here we have normal, minor, trivial, enhancement. It's up to you what you select according to your circumstances on raising the defect. You can decide it. So let me go with a critical. And hardware, it's what kind of type of component it is. It's a PC. And operating systems, you have n number of operating systems here. Select for what version you are getting this. Let me select a Mac. Okay, and now here you need to provide a neat summary describing about your bug in single line. Okay, let me define it. Widget component cares or not displaying. See, whenever I'm trying to raise a bug, it will automatically suggest me saying these are possible duplicates. I mean, there might be one tester located in other location might also raise the same defect. So whenever you're trying to create, it will suggest that these might have already detected earlier, so that please see before you raise a duplicate defect. Okay, so when I try to do it, widget gets, so right now I'm trying to raise this defect and this got widget gets a struck, there is an already bug on it. Okay, you can go and click here to see 21841 about that bug information, right? This is the bug information and all. So let me come to this step later. So right now we will just say how can we file a bug in this lecture. Thereafter we will see the other features present in it. Cares are not functioning, right? Okay, so description, come down, and here you have to provide detailed steps as I mentioned you in the industry standards of template. What is steps to reproduce? Okay, where did you log in, at what page you got, and what is expected result to be displayed, and what is the actual result you are getting right now as part of bug, and if possible timestamp, screenshots, whatever I have mentioned. You write a standard template, take those and enter all the fields, okay, and attach a screenshot for it. Once you attach, right, let me click on this preview, so it will display like this, whatever you write, expected, actual, and then I'll go and submit this bug. See that the main features what we are seeing here is severity, hardware, OS, which we have clearly mentioned, and what product, under that product what component we are targeting, and the summary of the bug, and come down that complete description mentioning about that bug and proper attachment. That's it. That's the good amount of information we need to actually file a bug. So enter all this and just submit the bug. You can see that bug 30284 has successfully created. You can go and click on this link and see the details of the bug what you have raised. Okay, you can see that status confirmed, that means we have created a defect, and so this product and a component, this is the hardware, and we have not included anyone in the CC list right now, and the attachment whatever if you provide, and here comes steps to reproduce. Fine, that's the complete detailed information about creating a bug. So in the next lecture, let's see how can we create a bug with some additional features. Still there are a lot of fields but which are optional, comes under picture when you want to provide a detailed information to create a bug. Okay, that we'll see in our next lecture. Thank you.